What is up, KT Dynasty? If you are a new viewer, hi, hey, hello, how you doing? And welcome to the family. You guys, if you have not done so already, please make sure you smash that subscribe button and tap the little notification bell next to it so every single time your girl drops a video, you can be notified. Also, make sure you like it up. Make sure you like it up. Anyways, you guys, I am in a great mood. I'm even in a better mood because I've got my seafood and I've got my Coke Zero. It is blessed. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and do my lemon on my crab legs and lemon on everything. You know, you guys, lemon will give your seafood life. For real, for real. Whew, let me get some paper towels at the ready. Oh, jeez. I need something to put my crab legs on. All right, you guys, so we are good to go. We're good to go. Okay, let's get it. I am freaking starving. Oh my god. Let's start with this one. Maybe this will be a good thumbnail. Okay, we're good. Here we go. Oh my goodness. Okay, we're gonna have to do some rearranging. Okay, and this is my, I gotta put my lemon in my butter. Almost forgot. Lemon goes in the butter too, you guys. If you don't know, now you know. Anyways, how's everybody's Thursday going? My poor baby couldn't stay for tutoring today because he has this horrible toothache. And I just feel so bad. Because, like, I've had this dentist appointment scheduled for him forever. And, you know, the time has finally come. It's in a few days. But the original tooth that was bothering him, he actually yanked out of his mouth all by himself. So now, on the other side of his mouth, he has a tooth that's bothering him. And I'm just like, oh my gosh. And then my other son, he just got his chipped tooth fixed today. So he's not walking around looking like a little baby. And they told him that, you know, when he gets a little bigger, he's probably going to need braces. So I'm just like, oh my lordy. There we go. Oh man, this is bomb diggity. Bomb diggity. Oh yes. That is so bomb. Dang. You guys. Man. Oh, let's see if I can get this whole piece out. Oh, if I get this whole piece out. Whew. I think it's coming. Yes, I got the whole piece of knuckle meat. Oh my goodness, look at that. Ouch. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Oh, yeah. Look at that. all that butter on there. Mm. Mm. You know what I always wanted to try, you guys? A giant whole crab. A whole king crab. Like the whole big king crab. With the eyes, the face, and everything. Legs still attached to the body. Woo! They look so bomb. Like, I can only imagine, like, how fresh they taste. Oh, my God. That's on my goals list. Mukbang goals. Mmm. Mm-mm-mm. Oh, no. Oh, it is cut. You guys have any plans for the weekend? Anybody? You know, for me, when Friday comes, it's time to wine and dine. Dang. This one didn't get slit all the way, and I don't have any scissors with me. Ouch. Come on. There we go. Sometimes you gotta yell at it. So bomb. Ooh. That was a good bite. Oh my God. Did that really just happen? Yeah, that really just happened. Oh, you guys, I have a question for you. And comment your comments down below in the comment section. That's what they're there for. So I stumbled across somebody's post. You know, they're an entrepreneur and they have their own like business, right? She sells like decorative mirrors. Okay. Look at that. She sells decorative mirrors, right? And she was like offended because another girl that sells decorative mirrors tagged her on one of her posts. I guess, you know, promoting her business. And the girl was like saying that was disrespectful of her. Now, do y'all look at that as a form of disrespect? Because me, in my personal opinion, I feel like everybody wants the same thing when it comes to entrepreneurship. We all want to win, we all want to make it, and we all want people to, you know, purchase our products. But my thing is, just because you guys both share the same product doesn't mean you're going to have the same customers. You get what I'm saying? So I just feel like we should all be in this to support each other and help each other evolve. You know, because it doesn't make any sense to try to be greedy. Like, what are you being greedy for? Like, there's too many freaking people in the world who I'm pretty sure are going to love your products. You know, for you to say stuff like that. Like, people just look at everything as a freaking competition. And, you know, and that's sad. It's really, really sad that it's come to that. You know, like, should the girl probably have asked her first if she could promote her business on her page? Yes. But, I just felt like she kind of took it a little above and beyond. Went a little up and away with it. Because it's not about competition. It's not about competition. It's not about who can take off the fastest. Do what you gotta do. Put your time into it. Your blood, sweat, and tears. And move at your own pace. That's the only way you're gonna truly be successful in life, you know? You might hit a couple of hiccups here and there. But eventually, you will succeed. And that's on period. Period. That's just how it goes. You know? People are too busy trying to fight their way to the top. And there's more than enough money out there for everybody to win. I ain't stepping on nobody's toes. I'm in my own bubble, doing my own thing. Setting my own goals. You know? I want to see everybody win. I'm the type of person, if you winning and you work into it and you're, you know, a hard worker, dedicated, I'm rooting for you. Sorry, somebody just tried to call me. But, you know, the people that are trying to, like, you know, that are willing to use other people as a step stool to get to the top and take advantage of people, I don't believe in that. Well, don't get me wrong, there are some people out there like that. They're very successful. And they're just good at being conniving, conning, manipulating, all that. But I am a firm believer of karma. I'm a firm believer of good karma and bad karma. And I am not messing with that. So, anyways, that was my little rant for the day. This is phenomenal. If y'all don't eat sausages with your seafood boil, you are missing out. You are really missing out. Ooh. Ooh, yeah. This is so good. Honestly, I love seafood at restaurants, but it's like now that I kind of taught myself how to do seafood boils for a way better price, can't see myself getting it anywhere else. You know? Because seafood, if you buy it at a restaurant, it is so expensive. I'm all about making my dollars stretch, my money stretch, and saving. You know? You got to. Mmm. Ooh-wee. Ooh-wee. Mmm. Got it. Ooh, yeah. Mmm. Mmm, 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 mmm. Mmm. Mm-mm-mm. Mm. 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 This one doesn't want to come out. Mm. Mm-mm-mm. Oh my god. Mm. You guys, we are almost at 3K. I cannot believe it. It's like, it seems like once you hit a certain number, you just literally start taking off, you know? The numbers just keep going up, 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 up. But they can never go down, 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 down. Well, I mean, I guess views can go down if people lose interest in you. That's bound to happen, but it's too many people in the world. You know, new people are going to stumble across your video all the time. So, just because you're getting a good amount of views for a little bit. Okay, guys, I'm so terribly sorry about that. My phone is tripping.